Hello everyone, welcome back to the LangChain series. In last video we got structured outputs from our LLM, but there was one big issue that our LLM was forgetful. It didn't have any memory. So what I mean by that is if I told my name and I would have asked it later, it wouldn't remember. So in this video what we are going to do is we are going to fix this and we are going to give our LLM the memory. So let's jump in. So these are all the imports. So what each import is doing is first this UUID. This creates a unique user ID for each conversation. So you can use this to create unique IDs. Then we have .env library. This I'm using to load the API keys which I'm loading here. This load.env, it loads the API key for this model. Then we have the human message, which represents the message human gives or the user input. Then we have chat Google generative AI. This is the model we are using. Then we have the MemorySaver, which will store the history of messages. And finally, we have the state graph. The state graph helps us to give the memory to the LLM. And it also helps us design the nodes and edges graph which it uses. Then we are defining our graph. We create a workflow with the message state here, which means that the graph is keeping a track of all the messages as its state. And then we have loaded our environment variables. We have our model here. I have given the temperature as 0 to keep the model output deterministic and the maximum retries as 2, so that if the model fails to give us some output, it will try 2 more times. Then we have this call model function. This function takes in all the messages so far, all the messages we have, it takes and sends it to Gemini, then returns the response. So this is the thinking brain of our chatbot. So it is collecting all the messages and giving it to the model every time. Then we will start adding edges and nodes. So we will add edge from start to the model. So what that means is when the workflow starts execution or when this graph starts execution, first the model will be approached and the model will call this call model function. Then we have our key part here, which is MemorySaver. When we compile the workflow with this checkpointer, LangGraph automatically saves the conversation. So what we are doing is we are passing this memory as a checkpointer. Then I'm creating the thread ID. So thread ID is the unique key which is identifying a particular conversation. So we will just generate a random UID here and give it to the config. This is helping us to maintain multiple users. After this, what I have done is I have given 2 input messages to test it. So let's change the name here and now let's run it. Let's see if it remembers. See, the execution is complete and let me drag it up. So first I gave the message, "Hi, I'm Gaurang." Then the AI replied, "Hi Gaurang, nice to meet you." After this, I gave another message that what is my name. The AI remembered that my name is Gaurang, which I have provided earlier. So that's all for this video. We have given the memory to our chatbot. This is very useful wherever the context matters, wherever the chat history matters. It is very good to have this setup. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and we will meet in the next one. Till then, bye and take care.